Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, guest of honor, special guest Sri M. Venkaiah Garu, who is yet to come because of his busy schedule, MU of Moinabad, our CEO of NTR Trust, Mr. Vishwardhan Garu, CEO of Education Trust, Sri Mohan Rao Garu, Sri N.S. Prasad Garu, Director of NTR School, Srimati Sridevi Garu, College Principal, and special invitees, dear parents, guardians, press and media persons, my ever continuous and comprehensive supporting teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and my dear young students. On the very auspicious occasion of the annual day of NTR Model School, Himayat Nagar, it gives me an immense pleasure to extend a hearty welcome to the Chief Guest, Srimati Nara Brahmani Garu, Trustee of NTR Memorial Trust, and also the Executive Director of Heritage Foods. And she is a great administrator and academician who strongly believes that education only can give enough courage to do anything and to be successful in one's life, as said in her own words, which was recently published on 26th March 2017 in Inadu Sunday magazine. She is rendering her service in various activities of the trust and taking special care of education wing. We are fortunate to have you, madam, here. A hearty welcome to Brahmani madam. I also extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Justice Srimati T. Rajni Garu, Judicature of High Court for Telangana and TS States, and also AP. She stands as one of the reputed judges with her uncompromising and promising judgments. Madam, it gives us a great honor to have you amidst us this evening. I cordially welcome you, ma'am. In the same breath, I extend cordial welcome to Srimati Dr. P. Sindura, Managing Director of Narayana Group of Educational Institutions, who takes keen interest in guiding us at every step in all the matters related to smooth functioning of the school, especially with regard to academics. I am privileged to extend my cordial welcome to all the allied dignitaries, invitees, other guests, beloved parents, guardians, media persons, and press and dear teaching and non-teaching staff. It's my virtuous privilege to present the annual report of NTR Model School for the year 2017 before the August gathering. With a great pleasure, I would like to recall and present you in brief the historical background of the school, which is established in the year 2005 on the prime model of and ever appreciated moralities of our Telugu people's legendary Sri Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao by the well-disciplined and visionary legend Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, the then Managing Trustee of NTR Memorial Trust and the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, with the noble cause of sharing social responsibility by rendering free education with residential facility to the really needy, particularly to the parents or single-parent children, where the founder chairman firmly believes that education paves the way for further progress and success of any individual in life. On his guidelines and initiation, the school got incepted in the year 2005, and it is as it you see today, with many milestones of success to note. Apart from this noble service, a few students are even educated from our institute with nominal fee structure as a moral binding on the trust to extend its service to the economically deprived families. It was a meager beginning with 131 children in the year of inception, that is 2005, where we are educating students to appear for State Board of Secondary Education examination year by year. We have been sending children for the board examination since then, with 36 students in the very initial year and later increasing it by year. And this year, 200 students from this school are going to appear for the 10th examinations, and they have just completed their examinations today. It is proud to note that we have achieved 100% results every year with Mandal and state level toppers each year. Even this year, we expect our success chronicle to continue with at least 5 students with overall GPA 10 by 10. In a nutshell, I do like to put forth the following statistics which speaks of our success saga. It is relevant to say that we have been the recipients of 100% results in 10th class exams from its inception. The statistics of the results as follows. If you take from the year 2006 and 7, there were only 36 students who have appeared with 10% pass, and the highest mark was got by S. Revati Reddy with 552 marks. And in the year 2007-8, 73 students have appeared and with 10% result, and M. Akhil Kumar has gained 550 marks and standing first in the school. And in 2008 and 9, 101 students have appeared with 10% result, and Mr. B. Abhinav with 564 was the topper of the school. And in 2009 and 10, 145 students have appeared and it was 10% result with 568 highest mark achieved by B. Bhavya. And in 2010-11, 133 students appeared for the examination and it was also 100% result with 580 as the toppest mark achieved by A. Sujit Krishna. Even after the changing the mode of evaluation, changing to grading system, even there our success role continues. And in 2011 and 12, 154 students have appeared, and out of which 50 students are above GPA 9/9, and the highest GPA was 9.8, backed by M. Monica. And in 2012-13, 137 students have appeared, and with a bit of experience, we could achieve 101 students out of 137, overall GPA above 9. And the highest GPA was 10, and it was got by J. Sai Teja. And still more success in 2013 and 14 with 141 students appearing for the examination. 94 of them stood with GPA above 9, and the highest GPA was 10, and it was ranked by 4 students in that year, namely Jyoti Swarup, Pranita, Vinod and Vamshi Krishna. So it was the ever greatest record of the school. And in 2014-15, 141 students have appeared, out of which 49 students got GPA about 9, and there was one student with GPA 10 that was backed by Sri Harshini. And in 2015-16, 172 students have appeared for the examination, out of which 73 students got above 9 GPA and one student with 10 GPA, Mr. Ravi Kumar. And even this year, as I said, the highest strength has appeared for the SSC board examinations, and we do expect 5 GPA 10/10 this year. We hope God will bless us. And we are proud to say that ours is the only institute which is bagging IIIT seats every year from this institution. We are very proud to say that, and I would like to give you the details of the students who have got IIIT seats every year. In the year 2008 and 9, Shiva Shankar K he has got Warangal district, he has got IIIT seat. And in 2009 and 10, P. Bhavya from Mahbubnagar district, she has got IIIT seat from our school. And in 2010-11 batch, Vinutna from Nalgonda, she got IIIT rank, and she is still studying there. And in 2012-13, Sai Teja J from Medak district, he has got a IIIT seat and he is still studying there. And in 2013-14, Sajid Kumar P, he is from Rangareddy district, he got IIIT seat. And in 2015-16, Mr. Ravi Kumar from Mahbubnagar has gained the seat in IIIT. So it's a really proud record to tell you that all the students of our school every year are obtaining a rank in IIITs and achieving seats there. From the year 2010, we even started intermediate education with residential facility for both boys and girls. It's a fabulous note that from the cluster of these students, few of them even have entered IITs, NITs around the country, apart from other notified education institutions. A few to say of them. In 2008 and 10 batch, B. Pranita, she has got IIT rank in Guwahati, Assam. And in 2011 and 13, Murlidhar Nagalla, he is still studying there with the final year BTech. He is into NIT at Assam. And in 2012-14 batch, Suresh G, he gets into NIT Meghalaya with BTech Mechanical. He is in the 3rd year. And the same year, it was backed by another student too, B. Gautam. He is in BTech 3rd year, studying in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. And in 2013-15 batch, G. Venkat Rao and also Pavan Kumar Reddy, they have backed seats in the NIT. One is at Rourkela and the other is in Assam. And in 2014-16 batch, Mr. Jyoti Swarup, he is in BTech 1st year. He has gained a rank from this institute, secured rank in NIT and then studying at West Bengal, Durgapur. Along with this, our students are also bagging various medals and laurels in various competitive examinations every year. Our students K. Pranati of class 9th and Sri Vaishnavi of class 8 have achieved second place last year in Know For Sure quiz, which was conducted by Narayana Group of Schools. And really we are proud to say that our students have participated. Out of 3 levels of screening, our students, namely Pranati and Sri Vaishnavi, they could get second place with 50,000 cash prize award. Added to this, our student K. Pranati of class 10th secured first prize in short film review at the Balotsav National Level Festival conducted by Kottavadam Club. During this year, our student L. Ramya Sri of 10th class got 139 rank in UCO second level in 2016. And also G. Nagavinay of class 10th and ND Sai Tej of class 6th have been qualified for second level in IMO Olympiad exams. At this juncture, on behalf of NTR Trust, I would like to sincerely thank and appreciate the constant support and encouragement from Dr. P. Narayan Garu, the founder chairman of Narayan Group of Educational Institutions, and Mrs. Dr. P. Sindura, who is present, the managing director of Narayana Group of Education Institutions, who is right now seated in the midst of us with her gracious presence. Even I thank all the Narayana team leaders who have been rendering a continuous and great support to us in this success range of NTR Model School, without whom this great success might have been on a different note. All this is possible as we keep in tune with the modern technology, where we have computer-based learning and e-classrooms. The students are provided with a number of software modules with round-the-clock internet facility, which supports them to have a wide range of success. Complete information of the school related to admissions, examination schedules, results, and achievements are also placed in our website. Even a student or a parent can log in to get their complete information. We have full competent staff with one director, Sri N.S. Prasad Garu, who is always back of us like a backbone, supporting in every part of school activity, me principal and the subject teachers on regular basis. We also have one computer instructor, one dance teacher, 2 well-trained physical education teachers, and 1 trainer for yoga to encourage co-curricular activities among children. We even have 1 qualified staff nurse appointed on the regular basis for 24 hours, and also a permanent doctor who visits to ensure the students' health. We also have an experienced and dedicated staff in our office who has a brain trust to the school functioning systematically. NTR School is second to none, with modern facilities on the campus, with well-furnished classrooms, with a congenial and most comfortable atmosphere. Not only a well-stocked but also well-maintained library, 2 computer laboratories, 3 well-equipped science laboratories, and 1 e-classroom are also our added facilities. Apart from this, 7 additional classrooms are constructed this year to conduct other activities like yoga and music. This would help us to extract and nurture the inner talents of the students and widen their mental and physical facilities. And even CC cameras are provided in various locations of the campus, including classrooms for better observation and monitoring. We provide residential quarters for some of the staff who take additional care of children for their studies. We feel pride to say that we have pollution-free atmosphere, as you all see now and enjoy, with good green scenario and ample of playgrounds for the both indoor and outdoor games, which makes our school real model school for an all-round development of the student who passes out from the school. We are proud to say that we are fortunate to render our service on par with the ambitions of our founder trustee and the other trustees of NTR Memorial Trust, under whose constant guidance and support we walk the talk. Lately, we are on a major change in the scheme of our education, in which we are planning to shift our school to CBSE pattern. We have almost completed all the formalities of the CBSE board to switch over our school into CBSE stream of education for classes 6 to 9 from 2017-18 academic year, and followed by class 10th from 2018-19. In view of enabling our students to face all India level syllabi and competitive exams, I would like to accomplish my report with a note of gratitude to all who have accepted our invitation and made it convenient to visit our premises with your graceful presence and making it a grand success. At present, we have college exclusively for women within our campus, and now I would like to request Sri Devi Garu, who is taking care of the college, to present her college annual report. Thank you all. Have a pleasant evening.